Got him. I don't know. Shell cracker. Shell cracker. Yeah, a little bit. Yep. Mm-hmm. There he is. You see him? A little bit bigger. Not too much.
Can I put him in there?
Yeah, let me take my picture though. I knew I'd get him. I knew it. Here, yeah, that's right. You want to get him here. You gotta grab him, son. You can't play with him.
Yeah, he has a little bit of blood on him.
Yeah, because he got hooked in the mouth. You got it? Slide your hand. Slide your hand. Don't drop him. Go ahead. Go put it in there. Hurry up. Hurry up. Got him. Little one. See that? Little brim. Oh, I got it. Oh, slippery little thing.
Okay, see?
Hold on. Let me take my picture with it. I'll give them to you in a second. What did I do?
Dang, that's small.
Yeah. The little bitty thing.
That's a baby fish?
Yeah, it's a little brim. Here. Be careful with him. You can grab him with your 2 fingers, or you can grab him, you can squeeze him. Just throw him back out there. You got him. Yep. Another little one. Another freaking little one. Yeah, these little ones are hungry today, ain't they?
Yeah, we can actually like see these.
Excuse me. Got him. These little bitty little brim. Come on now. You say what?
Since I can like see them, I can like get them with this hat.
No, you ain't putting my hat in there.
I tried 4, but probably with the new one.
Got him. Bluegill. That's a bluegill. Got to be. Look like a big one though. Ooh, man. That's a shell cracker. Look at him. That's a big one. Look at him. Hey. That's what I'm looking for. You see that, Des? Do you see that, son? That's what I'm looking for. I love catching. They fight so hard. Yeah, I know. You're gonna be good for dinner or breakfast.